It's got the glow light.
Here we are like an old married couple. It's been a while since we vlogged.
Okay.
We are about to listen to the
But that's
tornado
what it looks
warning
like.
siren test.
Isn't that cool? They can grow vegetables.
I'm gonna
just
listen
like
for
right
it.
up the side of it, and it has its own lighting, its own irrigation.
I'm gonna listen to it. By the way, we're having a garage sale if you're curious. Here's the fan bam. Let me sit on this. There we go. Welcome to my neighborhood. We're gonna listen to the tornado warning siren test. Here are the 4 lucky cars.
And then you start them, and then
I'm gonna listen for it so I can hear. Yeah, it's 12. Oh, there we go! There it is! Woo! There we have it. Yeah. There it is, folks. Woo! There it is. It's loud too. Hello. Ignore Raven. I don't know what the heck she's barking. Woo! It's hot out too. It's hot and humid out too, by the way, guys. Just saying. Raven, be quiet. It's loud! He's got the new crossbow.
Here we are, like an old married
Oh.
couple,
It's loud, isn't it?
doing the monthly tornado siren.
Yeah.
It's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah,
It's hot out too.
and it's too
Woo! There it is.
wow.
Wow.
It's hot. Okay, I gotta keep looking at. We're having a garage sale here too.
Oh yeah, that's right. I mentioned we had a garage sale. Woo! That was loud.
Still going.
It's going now.
Still going.
Ah, it's over. See you again until August sometime.
Oh, it's all done.
It's all done.
Oh, rats. So,
That was loud.
that was
And it's hot out too. I'm starting to sweat. I need to go in the shade.
yes, you do.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah, I caught it on camera.
Excellent.
Here are the fireworks, by the way. Bingo.
Yeah, bingo. How about it?
How about it? Bye for now. The customers are coming in.